Hey friends, if you wish to enable light mode theme on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you have three dark themes which have a black background and three light themes. This is the first light theme. Okay, this is the background. Second light theme. This is the background. Actually, it has a random background. And third light theme which has this as the background. It has an aqua color for all the other elements here. And other than that, you can always go to colors and change the mode. Okay, like if it is dark mode, it doesn't matter what theme you're using, the mode will be dark for Windows and other apps. And if you select it at light, it doesn't matter what theme you use, it will always show this in light color. Wait, let me show you. It will always show Windows and apps in light color no matter what the theme is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.